Hello dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about the application of trigonometry. Okay, in this majorly we will come across with the two terms, angle of depression, angle of inclination, angle of elevation, angle of elevation, angle of depression. Okay, now let us consider a person is standing here, a person is standing and we have a building here. Okay, let us consider this a building. So is staring at the top of the building, then this angle we call it as the angle of elevation. Okay, next consider one more building. Person standing on a building and he is observing a car. Let us consider this is a car. Okay, whatever, the car is observing a car. So angle of depression is this. Okay, angle of depression is this. So angle of depression is this, angle of elevation is this. So majorly we will come across with angle of depression, angle of. Here we have a question. A tower stands vertically on the ground from a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of tower. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. What is the height of the tower? One by one we will discuss. Okay, a tower stands vertically. So here I am drawing here. Let us consider this is a tower. Okay, this is a tower. So this is a tower. From a point, let us consider this is a point on the ground. Okay, this is a point. From a point which is 15 meters away. Okay, from a point 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. This is foot of the tower. Okay, then this is 15 meters away. 15 meters away. So this is 15 meters away. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower. From this point we are looking at the top. Then this is angle of elevation, right? This is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation of the tower is 45 degrees. Okay. And what is the height of the tower is asking. What is the height of the tower? So this is the height of the tower. So this is the height of the tower. Let us consider this is A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay. Now given data. What is given? Given BC is equals to, given BC is equals to 15 meters. 15 meters. And here angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is equals to theta is equals to 45 degrees is given. Now what is asking? Height of the tower is asking. Height of the tower. Height of tower is equals to h. We don't know this. Okay. Now from here we can say that in a triangle, here this is a right angle triangle, right? This is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So from here, this is height is opposite, this is adjacent. So can I use the tan? Right angle triangle ABC, applying tan 45. Tan 45 is equals to opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite by adjacent. And opposite is what? H. Opposite H. Adjacent is 15 into tan 45 degrees. Okay, from here 15 send it to the left hand side. 15 into tan 45 is equals to h. From here height is equals to, tan 45 is 1, so 15 meters. Therefore height of the tower is equals to 15 meters. Therefore height of tower is equals to 15 meters. 15 meters, not centimeters. Okay, 15 meters. That's all. This is the solution. Clear? So next we have one more question. A tree breaks due to the storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 centimeters. Distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. So Find the height of the tree before fall. Let us consider this is a tree. Okay. So due to the storm, it broke. This part is broke and it will falls. It will falls. It will falls and touches the ground. Okay. That means this will disappear and it will falls. This same thing, it is false because of the storm attacked on the tree. That is the reason why it will breaks and it will falls and the top of the tree will touches the ground. Okay. What is that saying? A tree breaks due to the storm and broken part bends. Broken part bends so that the top of the this is top of the tree touches the ground by making angle 30 degrees with the ground. So this is making an angle 30 degrees, making angle 30 degrees with the ground. Distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree. Distance between the foot of the tree. Distance between the foot of the tree and top of this is foot of tree and top of the tree. Distance between them is given as 6 meters. Given as 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. That means he is asking what is this height of the tree? What is this height of the tree? So before falling, this is height of the tree heads, right? After falling, this distance we don't know. Let us say this is A, this is B, and this is C. So we can write it as a given data. A given is BC distance. BC is equals to distance between the foot of the tree. This is, write it as distance between foot of tree and top of tree. Top of tree on ground is equals to 6 meters. So BC is equals to 6 meters is given. Okay. Next, AC. Do we know AC? We don't know. Do we know this? So angle of elevation with respect to ground is given 30 degrees. Okay, angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Then can we able to find opposite? This is adjacent. Can I use apply right angle triangle ABC? Triangle ABC, I am applying tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. From your tan 30 is equals to opposite is AB. Adjacent is BC. Adjacent is BC. So AB is equals to BC sent to the left hand side, BC into tan 30. So AB is equals to BC is what? BC is 6 into tan 30. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Okay. So AB is equals to 6 by root 3. So AB is equals to, we got it. What is AB? This is AB, right? This is AB. Now we need to find AC. Okay, AC. In order to find AC, here we have adjacent AC. Can I use cos? Right angle triangle. Again I am using cos. Cos 30 is equals to adjacent. Adjacent is BC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC, right? So from here AC send this part, bring this part. So AC is equals to BC by cos 30. Cos 30. So BC is what? BC is 6 by cos 30 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. So bring this 2 to the top. AC is equals to 2 into 6 by root 3. Okay, this is AC. This is AC. AC is equals to 2 6 are 12 by root 3. So therefore this is AC, this is BAB. Now what is saying? Height of the tree before falling, right? Height of the tree is before falling is what? This is initially AB and this is hypotenuse. That one only now. This will break then fall. So this part is, we call it as a hypotenuse. So okay, this is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse, same. Okay, initially before falling, this is actually AC part. Okay, this is AC part. After falling, AC part comes into the hypotenuse form. Okay, so from here we can say here height of the tree is equals to, can I say here height of the tree before falling is equals to height of tree before falling is equals to, this is AB tree and AC. Okay, AB plus AC will gives you height of the tree. Now height of the tree we are writing AB AC, we know height of the tree, height of tree is equals to AB plus AC. Here AB value is this is 6 by root 3, 6 by root 3 plus 12 by root 3. Okay, LCM root 3, so 6 plus 12, so this is how much, 18 by root 3. So I am multiplying dividing with root 3. Okay, multiplying dividing with root 3 in order to eliminate rationalizing. Here 18 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 6 are 18, so we can write 6 root 3. Therefore height of the tree is what, height of tree is equals to 6 root 3 meters, 6 root 3 meters. That's all. This is a solution. Okay, that's all. So here we have a question. A contractor wants to set up a slide for children to play in the park. He wants to set up a height of 2 meters. So here given data is height of the slide is height of the height of slide is equals to 2 meters is given. Next, making angle theta is equals to 30 degrees. Okay, with respect to ground means this is angle of elevation, angle of elevation. What should be the length of the slide is asking. So here let us consider a slide. Okay, this is a slide. With respect to ground, this is slide. Okay, and this is a height. So this is a height. So height is given as, height is given 2 meters, and the slide is making with respect to ground 30 degrees. Then what is the length of the slide is asking, what is the hypotenuse is asking, right? Just consider A, B, C. What is asking? AC. Length of the slide is equals to AC. Length of slide is equals to AC. So what is that is asking. So we know here opposite, this is hypotenuse. Can I use sine? According right angle triangle ABC, applying sine theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, So from here can I use here sine theta is what, 30 degrees. Sine 30 is equals, hypotenuse is AC, so we need to find AC. So I am sending this AC here, I am bringing this term to the right hand side. So this is AC is equals to AB by sine 30 degrees, right? So AB, we know AB is what, AB is 2 meters height of the slide is. So AB is given, AB is 2 meters by, this is sine 30 value is 1 by 2, right? This 2 will comes to the numerator. AC is equals to 2 2 is 4. So AC is equals to 4 meters. AC is equals to 4 meters. That's all. This is a solution for the given question. Okay, this much length of the slide will be there. Okay, that's all. This is a solution. Here length of the shadow of the 15 meters height pole is 15 root 3. So let us consider here pole. Okay, let's consider this is a pole. Because of the pole here shadow forms here, pole shadow will form here, right? Pole shadow forms here. So this is a shadow formed from the pole. Okay, let us say this is A and this is B and this is C. Okay, then this shadow pole, height of the pole is 15 meters given. Okay, here length of the shadow of the 15 meters height pole, 15 meters height pole is 15 meter height pole. and the length of the shadow is 15 meters. Okay, length of the shadow is 15 root 3 meters. Okay, this is 15 meters. Now here, what is asking? What is the angle of elevation of the sun ray with the ground at time? So this is a sun ray, so because of the sun ray only, this is the angle of elevation is asking. This is the theta is what is asking. So first given data we will write. Okay, given data, given length of the pole, length of shadow is equals to 15 root 3. Okay, and height of pole is equals to 15 meters. Then what is asking? Angle of elevation of sun ray is equals to theta. Okay, now here we have opposite adjacent. Can I use tan in a right angle triangle ABC? Right angle triangle ABC, can I use here tan theta? Tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side, right? So I put tan theta is equals to opposite side is 15, right? Opposite side is AB by adjacent side is BC. So from here can I write tan theta is equals to opposite side is 15, adjacent side is 15 root 3. 15 cancel, and from here tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3. So when you will get 1 by root 3 in tan theta, tan 30 degrees. Okay, therefore theta is equals to 30 degrees. Tan neglected, theta is equals to 30 degrees. Therefore angle of inclination is this of the sun rays. Solution. That's all. This is a solution. Here we have a question. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make a 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? So here we need to find out what is the length of the rope. Here height of the pole is what here? This is height. Let us say this is a pole. Okay, and this is a ground. And here rope we need to tie here rope. Right, this is a rope. So this is the length of the rope. This is the length of rope, and this is pole. Pole height is what? This pole height is 10 meters, right? This is pole height is 10 meters, and this length of the rope, let us say this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, now angle of each rope as a making 30 degrees with the pole. Okay, each rope has to make 30 degrees with the pole. So this rope is making 30 degrees with respective pole. So 30 degrees it is making. Okay. Now what should be the length of the rope is asking. Length of the rope means this is the length of the rope. Okay. And this is pole. Okay, this is pole actually. This is pole. And this is pole. So given data. First given, write it. Given height of the pole. meters. Height of the pole is 10 meters. So here length of the pole is asking. Okay, length of pole is equals to what? Okay, and theta is angle is given. Theta is angle is given. 30 degrees is the angle given. Okay, now here theta is an angle between the pole and rope. Okay, angle between pole and rope. Angle between pole and rope is theta is equals to 30 degrees. Now here this is for angle opposite side is this is opposite side, right? Opposite side. This is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse side. Okay, this is what? Adjacent side. This side is adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay, this side is adjacent. This is hypotenuse, and this is opposite for this angle. So we need to find what? The hypotenuse, because length of the rope we need to find, right? So length of the rope. So we have this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. What is the formula? Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. From here cos theta value is 30 degrees is equals to adjacent is what? Adjacent is 10 by hypotenuse is length of the rope. Okay, length of the rope, let us say AC. AC is the length of the rope. AC is the length of the rope. From here we can say here AC send it to the left hand side, cos right hand side, AC is equals to 10 by cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. AC is equals to 10 by cos 30 values root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. 2 comes here. Therefore we can say this is AC is equals to 10 into 2 by root 3. Okay, therefore this is 20 by root 3 is the length of the pole. Hence length of the pole is equals to length of rope, sorry. Length of rope is equals to 20 by root 3 is the meters. That's all. This is the solution. Clear? That's all. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building at height of 6 meters to target on the ground at that angle of depression is 60 degrees. So here let us consider this is a building. Okay, this is a building. A person is shooting an arrow. Okay, here is standing person shooting on a ground. So he is shooting in this way. Okay, shooting. So what is saying here? 6 meters. Height of the building is 6 meters. So here 6 meters, and let us say this is a point A, this is point B, and angle of depression from the top of the building 6 meters to the target on the ground at angle of depression is 60 degrees. So angle of depression is 60 degrees. Okay, now what is I'm again drawing this. Okay, what is given? This is a building 6 meters. Okay, and this is B, and this is A, let us say. Okay, what is distance between A and B is asking. This distance is AB, right? AB distance. Now AB distance, he given angle is depression is 60 degrees. So this is 60 means this is also 60, right? Okay, this 60 means this is also 60. Now we can write it as given. What is data first? Given height of the building. Height of building is equals to, what is this? AC. Okay, AC is equals to 6 meters. We assume AC is the height of the building, and angle of depression is 60 degrees is given. So angle of depression is 60. So we are writing this theta, this is also theta, that is the reason why here right angle triangle ABC. I'm using here what we are supposed to find AB distance. What is asking? AB distance. So what is the AB distance is asking. So if in order to find AB distance, what I'm doing here, to this angle, this is opposite. Okay, this is hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, what we are supposed to use? Sine. Okay, sine 60 degrees is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. So from here sine 60 is equals to opposite is AC by hypotenuse is AB. Okay, so AB send it to the left hand side, this send it to the right hand side. From here AB is equals to AC by sine 60 degrees. AB is equals to AC. What is AC? This is AC 6 meters. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. 2 bringing to the right hand side up. So AB is equals to what? 2 into 6 by root 3. So here we have AB is equals to 2 comes to the numerator, 2 6 are 12 by root 3. Okay, 2 6 are 12 root 3. Now here root 3 is there. In order to remove in denominator root 3, I am multiplying dividing with root 3. Okay, AB is equals to 12 into root 3 by 12 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is how much? Root 3 into root 3 whole square, right? Square root cancel. 12 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, 3. 3 4s are 12. So 4 root 3. Length between, distance between A and B is 4 root 3. That's all. This is a required solution. This is a required solution. That's all. Here we have a question. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of a height 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meter below the top of the pole to do repair work. What should be the length of the ladder which he used when he climbs it and an angle 60 degrees with the ground? What will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the pole? Foot of the pole. So here, let's consider this is the electric cable. First here, this is a pole. Right, electric pole. Electric connection of the pole 9 meters height, 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.5 below the top of the pole. This is top of the pole. Here below to the 1.8 meters below to the. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below to the top of the pole. Below to the top of the pole 1.8 meter. He need to reach here this point. Okay. He put a ladder here. He put a ladder in order to reach there. So in order to reach from the ground to the point, he put a ladder. This is a ladder now. This ladder is making certain angle with the ground. Okay, certain angle with the ground. So what is this height? This height is given as 9 meters. Okay, this height is given as 9 meters. So what should be the length of the ladder? So this ladder means this is a ladder, right? This is a ladder. What is asking? This ladder is asking. Okay, let us consider this is A, this is B, and this is C. Is asking length of the ladder is asking. So AC is asking when he climbs at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. That means this angle is 60 degrees is given. Okay, 60 degrees is given. What will be the distance between the foot of the ladder? And also this distance is what? BC distance is what is asking. Okay, so first of all we will write here AB given total height of the pole is equals to 1.8 plus 9 meters. Okay, so but here what is given? AB he reached at AB. Okay, total height of the pole is actually total height. This is okay, 1.8 and 9 meters. 1.8 plus 9 meters is the total height of the pole, indirectly given. But here AB we need to, okay, we need only AB. So from here given data AB is equals to 9 meters. And next BC is asking. What is BC? BC is asking and AC is asking. AC is what is the solution? AC BC. Now we have a 60 degrees angle, right? Angle between the ladder and the ground. Theta is an angle between ladder and ground is equals to theta is equals to 60 degrees. Okay, angle between ladder and ground is 60 degrees. So from here we have this for opposite is, this is opposite. Okay, this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So in order to find here, I'm using here first tan theta. Okay, tan theta for triangle ABC, tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. So your tan theta is what? 60 degrees is equals to opposite is what? Opposite AB by BC. Tan 60 is root 3. AB is what? 9. BC is what? BC only. So from here BC is equals to 9 by root 3. So multiply and divide by root 3. Multiply and divided by root 3. Okay, BC is equals to 9 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 whole square. Square root cancel 3. So 3 3s are 9. So B is equals to 3 root 3. 3 root 3 meters. BC is equals to 3 root 3 meters. Now hence BC is, we got it. Okay, we know BC. Next, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. What am I supposed to use here in order to find hypotenuse? Sine, okay, use sine. Sine 60 degrees is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, right? Opposite what? Opposite is what? AB. Opposite is AB. Hypotenuse is what? AC. AC. So we know AB. What is AB? AB is 9. AB is 9. AC is we don't know. Okay. Sine 60 degrees. Now we have AC, send it to the left hand side. What you will get? Sine 60 into AC is equals to 9. And from here AC is equals to, send this 9 sine 9 to the right hand side, sine 60. So AC is equals to 9 by sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. 2 comes here. So 9 into 2 by root 3. If I do rationalizing, root 3 multiplying and dividing, so root 3 into root 3, 3 it will become, right? 9 into 2 into root 3. So 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6, 6 root 3. Hence therefore AC is equals to 6 root 3. AC is equals to 6 root 3. Therefore we got it. AC is equals to 6 root 3. AC is equals to 6. Length of the ladder. AC is the length of the ladder, right? Length of ladder AC is equals to 6 root 3. 6 root 3. 6 root 3. Next, length of the foot of distance between foot of pole to foot of ladder is equals to BC, right? BC distance. So BC distance, how much we got it? How much distance we got it? 3 root 3. Hence therefore this is 3 root 3. That's all. This is a solution. Therefore this is a solution part. This is a solution. Conclusion this is. Okay. That's all. This is a solution. So here this is a solution part. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle 60 degrees with the bank of the river. Let us consider this is a river. Okay. A banks. Let us consider a boat here we have. Okay. A boat is there. The flow of the river is this. Stream direction is, let us say this. It is traveling in this way. Okay. It reaches bank. It reaches the bank of the. A boat has to travel. A boat has to cross the river. It crosses the river by making an angle 60 degrees with the bank of the river. Okay. 60 degrees with the bank of the river. 60 degrees with the bank of the river. It crosses. Right. Due to the stream of the river, it travels a distance of 600 meters. That means this distance is what? This distance is 600 meters. Okay. This distance is 600 meters. This distance is 600 meters. Okay. Now from here this is 600 meters. And what is asking? Distance between the two reaches another side of the river. What is the width of the river? What is the width of the river means this is what is the width. What is this is asking. So let us draw a right angle triangle here. Okay. This is a boat and this is a 600 meters. And this is the side we need to find. This is width. Okay. This is width of the river. And this is 600 meters it traveled. And we know this angle is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. So let us A, B, C. This is A, B, C. Now we know that given write it first. Given is what? Distance traveled by the boat. Distance traveled by boat is equals to, what is the distance? AB distance. AB is equals to what? 600 meters. 600 meters. Next, width is asking. Width of the river. Width is we don't know. Width is equals to we don't know. Okay. Angle is given. Angle is 60 degrees. Okay. Angle is 60 degrees. And we know the right angle triangle, this is what opposite side, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is what sine, right? Using right angle triangle ABC, sine 60 degrees is equals to opposite side is width, okay, AC by hypotenuse AB. So I'm sending AB to the left hand side. What it will become? AB into sine 60 degrees is equals to AC. So from here AB is what? AB is 600. Okay. AB is 600 into sine 60 is equals to AC. Okay. Here AC is equals to 600 into sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. 2 3 is 6. So here AC is equals to 300 root 3. 300 root 3 is the AC distance. AC distance is 300 root 3. 300 into root 3. So what is the width of the river? What is the width of the river? Therefore, width of the river is 300 root 3. Width of river. River is equals to 300 into root 3 is meters. Solution. That's all. This is the solution. Required solution. A 1.5 meters tall boy is looking at the temple with which is 30 meters in height from a point at certain distance. Find the angle of elevation from his height to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 to 60 as he walks to find the distance he walked towards the temple. Let us consider this is a temple. Okay, let's consider this is a temple and the boy is here and the boy is here. Okay, he is looking and the height of the boy's height is how much? 1.5 meters. Okay, 1.5 meters height of the boy and 30 meters height from the certain distance, right? 1.5 meters tall boy is looking at the top of the temple which is 30 meters in height from a point at certain distance. 30 meters, he is looking at 30 meters at the point. Okay, so this is at a 30 meters, this is 30 meters. Okay, now he is looking the top, is looking the top and the angle of elevation is given. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. When he reaches here, by looking at the top only, when he reaches here, then angle of elevation will changes to what? 60 degrees. Angle of elevation changes to 60 degrees. So how much distance he traveled in between them? What is the distance traveled between them? He is asking. This distance is asking. Okay, let us name it first. Point, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, what is asking? BC distance is asking. What is the distance? What is the distance traveled by this person is asking. Okay, now here 1.5 meters is there, right? Can you tell me what is the height of the AD? Here height is, here 1.5 meters is this, right? This is 1.5 meters. Then what is this height? 30 minus 1.5 meters. What is the result? If I remove the 1 in 28.5. Okay, 28.5 is the height of the AD. So here given height of the person is 1.5 meters and the total height of this temple is 30 meters. So AD is equals to, given AD, by using this diagram, AD is equals to 30 minus 1.5 is equals to 28.5 meters. Okay, this is AD distance. Next, what is, first consider ABD. Okay, first consider ABD right angle triangle. ABD right angle triangle. Consider ABD right angle triangle. Use tan theta. Okay, tan theta. Tan theta. Here 30 degrees is there, right? 30 degrees. Tan 30 is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Here opposite side is what? Tan 30 is equals to, opposite side is what? AD by adjacent side is what? BD. BD. Here BD is adjacent side, right? BD is the adjacent side. So here BD is a distance, right? BD is the total distance. Now BD is, send this BD to this left hand side, bring this right hand side. A BD is equals to AD by tan 30 degrees. So from here AD is what? AD distance is 28.5, right? This is 28.5 by tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So bring this root 3 here. So we can write it as BD is equals to 28.5 into root 3 meters. 28.5 into root 3 meters. So this is the BD distance. Next, ACD. Consider right angle triangle ACD. ACD. Right angle triangle ACD. Then tan 60 degrees is equals to, opposite side is AD by adjacent side is CD. Okay, so bring this C into the left hand side, this is to the right hand side. CD is equals to AD by tan 60 degrees. So AD is what? AD is, we know, 28.5 by tan 60 is root 3. So CD distance is 28 point root 3. So what is asking? BC distance is asking. Okay, BC distance is asking how much distance is traveled. So BC is equals to, can I write the BC is equals to BD minus, here if I subtract BD minus CD, can I get BC? Similar way, BD minus CD, I can get BC. Okay, now BD is what? 28.5 root 3 minus CD is what? 28.5 by root 3. So from here, what can I do here? 28.5 take common, this is root 3 minus 1 by root 3, right? So from here we can write it as 28.5 into root 3 3 minus 1 by root 3. So this is 2. Okay, root 28.5 into 2 by root 3. So BC distance is this. Therefore here 57, 2 into 28.5, 57 by root 3. Therefore BC is equals to 57 by root 3 is the required distance between the required distance. Okay, here BC is equals to 50 by 57 by root 3, or else we can here rationalize. BC is equals to 57 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Okay, so from here 57 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3 nines are 27. Okay, 19 root 3. Therefore 19 root 3 is a meter. 19 root 3 meters are the BC distance. This much distance he traveled. Okay, he walked from one point to other point. Therefore this is answer is correct, this is also correct. Okay, answer can be expressed in either one of the form. Okay, this is also right solution.